Okay guys, this is like electric motion escape paradise. Look at this place. I can't reveal where I'm at because it's classified, but I'm in the Thousand Islands. And I just climbed this massive flat rock here. It's amazing. You're going through weeds, which you can't see, rocks and rocks, and you gotta go super slow. It's totally a trials practice. This is directly off. I could not maintain my footage here. I'm just coming through the woods here. And at the top of the mountain, it was all rocks with big gaps to hop. It was absolute paradise. This thing, again, is exceeding its expectations beyond belief. I've just climbed shit that I would never ever attempt with anything else. The trials aspect is awesome. I can see I got a little, picked up some gunk. So absolutely beautiful. The St. Lawrence River passage, if you can see it through there, goes to Canada, and to the left over here is US, Canada that way. Beautiful chunky stuff. It's a little dangerous obviously, but it's freaking awesome. So the electric motion on this stuff is mind-boggling. I hope you guys get a chance to check it out. Talk to you later.